This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to Pack 8 of the Fast and Furious 1/43rd scale car collection. You may notice already one of these things is not like the others. There's a bigger one. We'll have a look at it as we get through it. 4 more vehicles in this collection. We'll have a look at them one at a time. We've got the Nissan 350Z Z33, lots of letters and numbers in there. We've got another Nissan, the Skyline GTR. We have the Gurkha LAPV, that's the big one. And we have the Toyota GR Supra. So let's start off having a look through the magazine for the first one, which is the Nissan 350Z or Z, depending on where you are in the world. This is the 24th car in the collection. So yeah, first of all, we're going to look at the Drift King DK. Yeah, all the stuff about the film. Mainly the third one, I think, was the drifting one, wasn't it? Tokyo Drift. Go. Probably a car featured in that. Quite nice looking. I like all of the vehicles in this pack. The last one was a little bit disappointing, but this one's very nice. I like them. Looking at Nissan, obviously, history of Nissan, we're going to be doing that for a couple of these magazines. So, 2 pages there. It was very thick. No, it was 2 pages there. Feel free to look at all the information on those pages. But that is that. Let's clear this out of the way and let's have a look at the car itself. Right, the 350Z Z33, otherwise known as the Fair Lady Z. So I remember the Fair Lady as a name, but didn't recognise it as the 350. Yeah, there we go. Nice black and grey colouring. As ever with these, the detail is immaculate. It's spot on. It looks really nice. It looks the part. Oh, I didn't notice that we've got painting just on the one side. That's quite cool. It's on the wrong side though, really, because this is the side that's going to be at the back of the display rather than the front. But yeah, nice inked artwork on there. Very cool stuff. Obviously, the interior, what you can see through the windows, is present and correct as well. I like it. I do like it. It's got some of the artwork on the side. Obviously, this is being. Is it not? It is. This is the European version, so it is in fact the driver's side. As far as I can see, the driver's sitting on the correct side in this vehicle. So the artwork is all on the driver's side. So I like that. Nice stuff. So next up, we have the 25th car in the collection, the other Nissan, the Skyline. I do like it. This is the one that appears in a lot of the racing games as like the first car. I certainly remember it from the Gran Turismo series. I think I do remember it from that. But yeah, looking at obviously the film stuff first, and then drifting into Series 2, apparently, of the Skyline. Yeah, I mean, it's a more normal-ish car, but still sporty enough, and it does the job. I'd happily have one of those for day-to-day driving. Yeah, Nissan conquers the world. Obviously, they won quite a lot of things. Go, feel free to look at all of the words on the pages. And indeed, look at all the pretty pictures as well. So that is that. Let's clear it out of the way and have a look at the model. Nissan Skyline. Yeah, that's quite nice as well. I like the blue. It's a very nice, rich blue colour on there. Not so much detailing on this one, really. It's nice, but it's not anything special. But it's all present and correct, as it should be. All good things. Nice. And yeah, once again, the driver is sitting on the correct side. Here we go. Not so much to look at on that one, so I won't spend so long with it. But that's That's what it is, the Nissan Skyline GTR. So here it is, the big one, the Gurkha LAPV from 2008. This is the big one. It's the Gurkha truck, and indestructible. I don't know about indestructible, but yeah. This is the one that old Dwayne the Rock drove, and it's big, it's meaty. It's a bit like him, really. He wouldn't look right in a little sleek little car, but yeah, not really. I mean, obviously stuff about the film, but not really. But more about that. That's just, yeah, you wouldn't use that for going down the shops. You could get a lot of shopping in it, but yeah, no. Yeah, armored vehicles. It's quite nice. I like it. The styling of it is quite nice, as we'll have a look on the model itself. But yeah, it's quite cool. Hopefully drive one, but not to the shops. Yeah, that'd be good for occasional off-road use. So let's have a look at the big model itself. So the big boy, the Gurkha LAPV, it is nice. It's massive. It's big and meaty, and it is just what you expect it to be. Driving on the wrong side again, but there you go. It's a big armoured vehicle. It's got some detailing on it, some artwork on the side sort of thing. Not artwork as such, but yeah, it's got the running boards and everything needed on there. Big opening doors at the back. Obviously not opening on this, but the interior that you can see through the windows. I like it. It's big. It's not going to fit in the display with all the others, because all the others are the same size boxes, and this one is obviously quite a bit bigger. Still the same scale, because it's a big vehicle. I don't know if there are any other big vehicles coming along in the collection, but interesting to find out. But there we have the Gurkha. And last but not least, the Toyota Supra. It's again another car that I'm aware of. I couldn't necessarily pick it out of a lineup, but yeah, there we go. Looking at old Han. Yeah, he reappeared back in the later films again. Yeah, so the GR Supra. Nice looking car. It's got interesting looking front end. The headlights and that quite interesting looking on it. A little bit sportier than a day-to-day vehicle, but still in that sort of realm. Wouldn't look out of place on the road. So yeah, quite like that. Looking at obviously history of Toyota again. Going through there, races and stuff. Feel free to read all the words. So there we go. That's that. Let's have a look at the last of this month's models. And the last of today's delivery, today's pack, is the Toyota Supra. Again, nice colour. I like the orange. There we go. Look at that. That is nice. I would very happily drive one of these. Again, not for the shops, but for day-to-day going to work, that would be quite pleasant. I don't even mind the colour. Very wall hamster. So yeah, there you go. That's that. See some interior work there. Unfortunately, again, they've got the driver sitting on the wrong side, but you can't have everything, can you? There we go, the Toyota Supra. It's got the nice looking front end to that. I like that, sleek, but does the job. So there we go. That is that. That is the last of this month's delivery. So hopefully you've enjoyed looking at these. I shall put them on the shelf and find somewhere for the big one to go, because it won't fit in the same display pattern. So we'll figure it out. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe. I shall see you for the next one next month. For now.